Ooh, derailment. It's a troublesome truck. Let's put another one in the back of here. There we go. Testing this loco with a bit of a load. Click, click. This is one of my favourite sections of the line, next to all the foliage. Out into the sunshine. Can we see anything up there? I'll just try around here. I've got a new ash pan and much larger sizes of coal, and I'm noticing the difference in steaming. I haven't got the pump on, and it's not wasting so much steam. But it's not such a hearty steamer now. There you go. Fire's nice and bright. The new ash pan is to stop ash being blown everywhere on the running gear and the motion of the loco. I wonder if we can see it here. It's made of brass this time. Wow, loco's doing well. A wisp from the safety. Let's hop over the line. And see what it's like when it comes around the return loop. The garden is looking very sunny with those lovely yellow weeds flowering nicely. See, it's not up to blowing off pressure yet, it's about 30. Excellent. Slowly bring it to a halt, blow it on. Yeah, the fire's not bad, a bit dull. Give it a rake, see if there's any holes in there. I think the big chunks causes holes in the fire. There we go, put some more on. See, this is a big chunk. Can just fit in. It's past the first flue, it's amazing. You can totally overfill the fire, it doesn't matter. There's plenty of water there still. Oops. It's another derailment. Let's put the blower on. Oh, the flowers grabbed hold of the LGB truck. That's it. Out of control vegetation. What's in here? Let's get this train started again. Needs a bit of drain cock on the right hand side. On its layout, it's so much easier to run the loco backwards so I can see the fire more easily. Let's put the water pump on. There we go. We don't want to get that crown sheet exposed. Joking, really. I've got a fusible plug. Oh, the sparrows. I love my garden birds. This is a great part of the layout, behind the Bahudakawa tree. Loco's romping along. Ooh, wisp of steam.